What's going on, you guys? Matthew here, back with another video, and today we are now eating here at Mandarin Palace, located in BF Homes in Paranaque City. Okay guys, so our food just arrived. So right over here is their spinach soup, while over here is their chicken feet. Okay guys, so right over here is their yang chow fried rice. Right over here is their kua pao. And finally, right over here is their salt and pepper fried chicken. Okay guys, so let's first try their spinach soup with mushroom and shrimp. Really good. There's a lot of shrimp in it. The mushroom flavor is really good. They also put some chili sauce on it, or chili oil. That's really good. I'm not usually a fan for spinach soup, but this is really good. Here is their steamed buns or kua pao. It's so hot. Let's dip it into the spinach soup. So let's wait for it to cool down. Here it is. Really good. Next up, let's try their chicken feet. Here is the chicken feet. Really good. The flavor of the chicken feet is great. Chicken feet is really good. Let's now try the yang chow fried rice and the salt and pepper fried chicken. Here it is. It's really good. Fried rice. Really good. The fried rice is great. It goes well with the salt and pepper fried chicken. The chicken is moist, juicy, and crispy. The flavors are really good. The seasoning is spot on. Over here, let's also try their chili oil. Great chili oil. Everything's better with chili oil. The fried chicken is amazing with the chili oil. It enhances the taste very well. But overall, the food here is really delicious.